I'd like to show you my retractable or foldable or whatever bench grinder stand. Pull it out a bit, unhook it, and then just pull it out and lift it. And there it is. The hooks keeping the shelf in place. You can see how they work. It's fairly sturdy, fairly efficient. And to unhook, I have this magnet holding it so I can fold it down. And we have the same thing on this side. Okay, so I built this foldable shelf for my bench grinder some time ago, but I had a bit of a problem with the latches here because they were a bit clumsy and well, especially to disengage them sort of. But I got these solenoids and built this electric 12-volt powered disengage mechanism. Works like a dream. Okay, so now I've finished the locking mechanism for, or unlocking maybe I should say, for my bench grinder. There on one side, and there's the same on the other. I would have wanted a more powerful solenoid thingy there, but that's what I had. I'll show you the mechanism in a while. Okay, so I just finished the unlatching mechanism for my bench grinder. A foldable bench grinder. So unhook it, I lift it up, and spring-loaded latches connect, and I'm ready to use it. To put it away, just have to pull it forwards. I lift it up, press the button, and the solenoids engage, and away she goes. Easy as pie.